Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Outlook app password on iPhone, tested method step by step clearly. Open the Outlook app on your iPhone. If you are currently signed in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Under the Mail Accounts section, locate and tap on the account you want to reset the password for. You will see the account details. Look for the Password or Reset Password option. Tap on it to proceed with the password reset. A new screen will prompt you to enter your current password. Type in your current password and tap Next. Now, enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure to follow any password requirements displayed. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After entering the confirmation, tap Save or Done to update your password. You will receive a notification confirming that your password has been updated successfully. Exit the settings and return to your inbox. If prompted, sign in again using your new password. Your Outlook app should now be updated with your new credentials. Check to ensure that your emails are syncing properly with the new password. If you encounter any issues, double-check your account settings for accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Outlook app password on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.